kindergarten friends. Let's take a look at our math today. We're on lesson 3.2, and today let's read, make, and write 6 and 7. So our objective, what we want to do today is be able to, I can read and write the numbers 6 and 7. All right, let's continue. Listen to the solve and share.
Jackson sees some beach balls. Use a number to tell how many. Use connecting cubes to show the number on the beach blanket. Count the cubes and show your partner. Then use the cubes to show another way to make the number. Now look at your partner's number card and repeat the activity.
All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the number 6 here. All right, there's my 6. So what I want to do is I want to show different ways to make 6. So first I'm going to use cubes. I'm going to pretend they're beach balls. Okay, so I'm going to do 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have 6 beach balls in a row, don't I? 6, here's the number 6. There's 6 beach balls. Now, what's another way to show 6? So I think I'm going to, I don't know if I can move those. You know what? I'm going to erase, and I'm going to show you another way to do it. Okay, I did 6 straight. Now I'm going to do this. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to go underneath. 4, 5, 6. Does that show 6 also? Yes. So the first time I showed 6 by having 6 all in a row. And the second time I showed 6 with 3 on top and 3 on the bottom. But both of them were the number 6. All right, let's take a look at our video. All right, listen up, friends.
We can count 6 and 7 using shells. What do you see?
What do you see?
There are shells.
Yeah.
How can you tell how many shells there are? You can count. There are 6 shells. How many counters are there? There are 6 counters. How is the bottom picture like the top picture? It shows 6. How is the bottom picture different? It shows 6 with counters instead of shells. What number is Jackson writing? He is writing the number 6. Why is Jackson writing the number 6? He is writing it to show the number of shells. If you trace this number, what number will you write? You will write the number 6. Where do you start to trace the number?
Do you remember?
You start at the dot at the top.
Just like your numbers and your letters, they always start them at the top.
Count the shells. How many shells are there? There are 7 shells. Jackson is writing the number of shells. What number is Jackson writing? He is writing the number 7. If you trace this number, what number will you write? You will write the number 7. Where do you start to trace the number? You start at the dot at the top. Great job! You learned how to write the numbers 6 and 7.
Wonderful job, boys and girls. We've practiced writing the number 6 and the number 7 in our handwriting book when you guys were at school. So this is a lot of review. Let's continue. All right, so what our job is that we need to count the objects, then practice writing the number that tells us how many. All right, let's start with the starfish. All right, you ready to count with me? I touch each one when I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many starfish do I have? 6. So with my pencil, I'm going to trace the 6 here. And I'm tracing them, but make sure you stay on the lines, boys and girls. And you start at the top. And it's kind of hard for me because I'm trying to do this on the computer. But, yep, see how I'm still taking my time? And if it's not quite right, please erase it and do it again. Make sure you do your best work. Okay, there's 1 6. Yep. And I'm tracing the other 6. And now I'm going to this one. They wanted us to show 6 3 times. And I felt like I did my best work. So I can go to number 2. I think these are beach bags. So we're going to count how many beach bags we have. Count with me. Oh, you know what? I'm going to grab my pointer here. Okay, count. We have to count and touch each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have? 7. So with my pencil, I'm going to trace the 7 here. So we have to start at the top. Okay, little line, big line slides down. Little line across, big line slides down. Little line across, big line slides down. That is the number 7. I practice it 3 times. Now I'm going to count flip-flops. That's number 3. Remember, when I count, I touch each item. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many flip-flops do I have? 6. I want to show 6. So I'm going to make the number 6. All right, I'm going to start at the top by the dot. Then down and roll it back up. Okay, start at the top. Curve it down, roll it to the bottom. Okay, curl it down, roll it back down. There we go. So I did my best work, and I made the number 6 because there were 6 flip-flops. All right, oops, I better change that. And we'll pop over here. And so this is our job, is what we need to do is we need to count how many objects and then represent it by putting the number, okay? So let's go ahead and start. These look like floaties. How fun. Let's count how many floaties. Ready? Touch each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? How many floaties did we have? 6. So we're going to make 6 3 different times. So we got to get your pencil out. Make sure you do your best work. You start at the dot on top, okay? So you're going to make a 6. Okay? See how I'm using my lines? Keeping everything in my lines. Wonderful. I really felt like I did my best work. All right, then I'm ready for the next one. Okay, number 5. I'm going to count how many sailboats. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many sailboats did I have? 7. So I'm going to show 7. I'm going to make 7. Okay, so we're right here, starting at the top. Little line across, big line slides down. Little line across, big line slides down. Little line across, big line slides down. Fabulous job. All right, let's keep going. Counting is fun. What do you think these are? Did you think they were octopus? I think so. Let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many octopus do I have? 6. So I want to show 6 here. So I'm going to get my pencil out and I'm going to make 3 different 6s. Take your time. Do not be sloppy. See how I'm going slow and in control. I feel like I'm doing my best work. Wonderful. All right, let's keep going. Now we're going to count. I think these are whales. Let's count them. Touch each one when you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many whales do I have? 7. Let's make a 7 to show how many whales we have. Little line across, big line slides down. Little line across, big line slides down. Little line across, big line slides down. Fabulous job, boys and girls. Now let's take a look at your independent work, which is the other page. All right, so what you have to do here is going to be a little bit different. So you are going to take a look at the number, okay? Do you remember what this number is? You are right, 6. So you're going to show me 6 of something. Maybe you're going to make 6 circles, 6 happy faces, 6 stars, but show me 6. Okay, right here is what number? Do you remember? 7. It's the number 7. So you need to show me 7 of something. You can make 7 circles. You can make 7 triangles. Make me something of 7. All right? Then, this is super fun. For number 10, you have to tell me how many sunblocks there are down here, how many seagulls, how many seashells, and how many blankets. So I'm going to show you how to do the sunblock. So this is how I do it. I grab my pencil because sometimes when I see lots of different things, I need to put a line on them when I'm counting so I don't count them twice. So I'm going to look for all the sunblocks, okay? And every time I find one, I'm going to put a little mark on them and count. So here's my first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sunblock do I have? 6. The number 6. So they wanted me to write the number 6 because that's how many sunblocks I have. Okay, so take your time. Make your best number. Number 6. Then you're going to count the seagulls. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to put a line on each one of them when you're counting. After you're done, you're going to put that number there. Then you're going to take a look at the seashells. You're going to do the same thing. Cross each one out when you count it so you don't double count. Then put the number here. Then you're going to count the beach towels. Count each one and put a line through them so you don't double count. And then you put the answer there. All right, boys and girls, when you get done with this page, I want you to take a picture and send it to me. Make sure you are making your best number 6s and 7s ever. It's okay to erase it to make it better. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.